Hey, good afternoon, 4th through 6th graders. Welcome to Minnewaska Middle. I am so happy to be here talking about open house night and some things you need to know to come back next Tuesday. So today is open house, and for some of you, you're coming in, and for some of you, you're going to do it virtually, and I have a few videos so you can meet some teachers and get to know a little bit more about what happens. So to get you started, a couple things you should know. As you come into our building the first day, you're going to go into our building through door 4. All 4th through 6th grade enters and exits the building out of door 4. When you walk in, there will be a iPad-like device that will take your temperature. If it is green, which we anticipate it will be, you're good to go. You'll go to your locker and then you'll go to your classroom. If it's red, there will be an adult there that will direct you on next steps, and that will do another screening and make sure that you're doing okay, or parents will come get you. As you go to your classroom, you'll be there before school starts likely, and breakfast will be grab and go style, and so your whole class will go to the cafeteria, get breakfast if you want, and bring it back to your classroom. And so it's a little bit different than before, but you'll do it with your class, and you'll go in, get your things, and head back. Breakfast is still free to all of our students. Let's see here. I'm looking at my list of things. As you need the office, Miss Kristen is the assistant for our entire middle school office. So all grades 4 through 8, you go to Miss Kristen. I am also back here, and as is Mr. Weaver a few days a week, so we can help you with anything that you need and check in with us for things that you need further support, either as parents or as students. Lunch will be in the cafeteria. And so we have it so that students are in the cafeteria they'll be eating with their classroom and all grades. So 6th grade, 5th grade, 4th grade will all be at different times, but you'll be together as your grade. So when we're in person, it's 2/3 capacity is what we're going for. And so 5th and 4th grade have a little overlap. 6th grade is on their own in the lunchroom. Recess will also happen, which is one of our favorite times of the day, certainly. And we're going to work to get kids outside. They will not need to wear masks during recess. We will work to social distance as much as possible. But kids will go to recess in their classroom, and they will kind of move around. So one day they might be at the Gaga Ball pit, and then the next day their class is at the playground or at the football field or something like that. So we're going to work on that and follow the guidelines that we have from the Department of Health on how we work through that. I think those are the really big things. Parents, if you haven't registered online with us, certainly send your kids. But if it works to connect with Kristen and get the activation code, or if you need that, connect with her, and we want to make sure that we have all the right information for you as we get started into this year. It's also helpful as we go into 7th and 8th grade. I think those are the majors for 4 through 6. I am so excited to have you here and can't wait to see you guys together. We're going to have a great year and be Lakers strong the whole time. All right. Take care, guys. See you Tuesday.